Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Hotmail accounts if you are not receiving emails. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, sign in, and once you've successfully in your homepage, I want you to click on the gear icon over here, which is your settings on the top right. Then go to account settings over here, click on it, and make sure nothing looks unusual or restricted. In the settings, select storage. If your inbox is full, since seen in here, you can easily select or check your storage in here. Delete unnecessary emails, clear spam folders and deleted folders, or even the archive messages. Make sure to delete the old messages to free up some space. This is how we can easily manage all of our emails because most likely the culprit is that your storage is full. So by clearing up, we can easily make sure that we can make more room for new and fresh emails. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the problem in email for not receiving any messages at all. I hope you found this video very helpful.